네, 여러분 안녕하세요. Beginner 8. 저는 커피를 안 마셔요. I don't drink coffee. So today, let's have a look. Just put name and then grammar 안. Okay, let's start from vocabulary first. So let's find the meaning. So first one, 커피, 주스, 술, 비빔밥, 불고기, 김치, 삼겹살, 김치찌개, 라면. Okay, so let's have it once again. 자, from first one, 커피, 커피. Yeah, this is coffee, coffee. Next one, juice, juice, juice. Next one, 술, 술. Yep, 술 is alcohol. Next one, 비빔밥, 비빔밥, 비빔밥. So bibimbap is bibimbap, right? Mixed rice. And next one, 불고기, 불고기. Yeah, 불고기 also Korean food, you know, yeah. So 불고기, beef. Next one, 김치, 김치. Also Korean food, 김치. Next one, 삼겹살, 삼겹살. Yep, this is pork belly, 삼겹살. And 김치찌개, 김치찌개. So kimchi is kimchi and 찌개 stew. So 김치찌개, kimchi stew, 김치찌개. The last one, 라면, 라면. Okay, 라면 is noodles, instant noodles, 라면. 자, grammar 안. So it's just not in English. So if you want to express negation, then you can use an plus just verb. So in front of the verb, you can use just an. So if you want to express negation or disagreement. So an plus verb. So can come all action verbs and then description verbs as well. Okay, so just check it out, this one. So if there is noun plus 하다 verb, then you need to put an between noun and 하다. Okay, so for example, 공부하다 first one, 공부하다, what's the meaning? Yeah, study, study. So if you want to say don't study, do not study, then you need to put an between 공부 and 해요. Okay, so please don't say 안 공부해요 because 공부하다 is noun plus other verb. So you have to say 공부 안 해요. Okay, 공부 안 해요. 자, next one as well. 수영하다, to swim. 수영하다. 자, 수영하다 also noun plus other verb. 수영 is a noun. So if you want to say I don't swimming, then you need to say 수영 안 해요. 수영 안 해요. 자, and next one as well. 운동하다 exercise. Yeah, I don't exercise. Then same. You need to say 운동 안 해요. 운동 안 해요. Okay, but just be careful this one. 좋아하다 and 싫어하다 verbs. Yeah, so 좋아하다, 싫어하다 is just one word, not noun plus other verb. So you have to say 안 and then 좋아해요 or 안 싫어해요 like this. So 좋아하다, 안 좋아해요, 안 좋아해요. I don't like. Okay, 좋아하다 like, 안 좋아해요. I don't like, don't like. And then 싫어하다, what's the meaning? Yeah, 자, 싫어하다, dislike. Yes, so 안 싫어해요. 안 싫어해요. Okay, good. 자, so let's practice this one. So basic form is, 자, first one, 마시다. 자, this is 아요, 어요 form, informal polite, present tense form. Then you need to say 마셔요, 마셔요. Yeah, and then 안, how can you say 안 with 안? Yep, 안 마셔요. 안 마셔요. Just in front of verb 마시다. Just you need to put 안 마셔요. 자, let's have a sentence. 저는 술을 안 마셔요. Is it okay the meaning? What's the meaning? Yep, 저는 술 알코올 안 마셔요. 안 마셔요. 마셔요 drink. 안 마셔요. Do not drink. I don't drink alcohol. Okay. 자, next one. Base form is 먹다. 자, meaning? Yep, eat. 자, this is 아유어요 form. 먹어요. 자, and then negation. Yep, don't eat. 안 먹어요. 안 먹어요. 자, sentence. 저는 고기를 안 먹어요. 저는 고기를 안 먹어요. 자, what's the meaning? 저는 same, and 고기 is meat. meat. So 고기를 안 먹어요. I do not eat meat. 저는 고기를 안 먹어요. Okay, next one. 공부하다. 자, 공부하다. 자, 아유어유 informal polite form 공부해요. 자, and then, 자, be careful. 공부하다 is noun plus other verb. So you have to put an between noun and 하다. So 공부 안 해요. Do not study. So please don't say 안 공부해요. 공부 안 해요. 자, let's have a sentence. 저는 오늘 공부 안 해요. 저는 오늘 공부 안 해요. 자, meaning 저는 오늘 today 공부해요 study 공부 안 해요 do not study. So I don't study today. 저는 오늘 공부 안 해요. 자, next one 좋아하다 like informal polite form 좋아해요. 좋아해요. 자, I don't like 안 좋아해요. 안 좋아해요. 자, because this is not noun plus 하다 verb. 자, this is just one word 좋아하다. So you need to say 안 first and then 좋아해요. 자, sentence. 저는 빵을 안 좋아해요. 저는 빵을 안 좋아해요. 자, 저는 빵 bread 안 좋아해요. don't like. So I don't like a bread. 저는 빵을 안 좋아해요. All good. 자, next one. 자, then let's practice. 자, so 자, I don't drink coffee. 자, if you want to say I don't drink coffee. 자, then how can you say? 예, 저는 커피를 don't drink. Good. 안 마셔요. 자, 마시다 drink don't do not 안. So 안 마셔요. 저는 커피를 안 마셔요. 자, next one. 자, sentence. I don't drink juice this time. I don't drink juice. So juice. So I don't drink 안 마셔요. Good. So 저는 주스를 안 마셔요. 저는 주스를 안 마셔요. 자, next one. 자, this time 불고기. So sentence. I don't eat 불고기. I don't eat 불고기. So 불고기 is 불고기. So don't eat, do not eat is 안 플러스 먹어요, 안 먹어요. So 저는 불고기를 안 먹어요. 저는 불고기를 안 먹어요. 자, next one. 라면, noodle, instant noodles. So I don't eat instant noodles. 자, how can you say? good. 저는 라면을 don't eat same 안 먹어요. 저는 라면을 안 먹어요. 저는 라면을 안 먹어요. Okay, good. 자, last one. Speaking practice. 자, there are two people, Eric and 다정. Okay, so please listen carefully. 에릭, 다정 씨는 커피를 좋아해요? 다정, 아니요, 안 좋아해요. 저는 커피를 안 마셔요. 에릭 씨는요? 에릭, 저도 커피를 안 좋아해요. 자, 이제 오케이. 자, so 에릭. 자, let's have once again. 자, 에릭. 다정 씨는, 자, 다정 name and she again, Mr. Miss, Mrs. 다정 씨는 커피를 좋아해요. So 커피를 좋아해요. 좋아해요. Like. So do you like coffee? So again, 여러분, what's this? 를, yeah, this is object particle. So we did object particle last time. So 좋아해요, coffee, like coffee. So coffee is object of this sentence. So we need object particle. So 다정 씨는 커피를 좋아해요. 다정, no, 아니요. 안 좋아해요. I don't like, don't like. So we need 안 this time. And then like, 좋아해요. 안 좋아해요. And then 다정, once again. 저는 커피를 안 마셔요. So I don't like, I don't drink coffee. Yep, so 저는 커피를 안 마셔요. Don't drink. 자, how about you? 에릭 씨는요? 에릭 씨는요? 자, 에릭, 저도, 자, what's to? Yeah, it's to, me too. So 저도 커피를 안 좋아해요. So I don't like coffee too. Yeah, 저도 커피를 안 좋아해요. All good. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you next lesson. Bye.